Lesson 33 Asking how long something will take. Japanese theme is どのくらい待ちますか? It means how long does it take to get in? First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding the whole story. Let's begin.
どのくらい待ちますか? 15分くらいです。わかりました。すごい、本物の手裏剣だ。
あの的に投げてください。
えい。ああ、落ちちゃった。
Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese subtitles. Let's begin.
どのくらい待ちますか? 15分くらいです。わかりました。すごい、本物の手裏剣だ。
あの的に投げてください。
えい。ああ、落ちちゃった。
Okay, then let's check the vocabularies from the skit. Okay, please repeat after me. The first word is どのくらい待つ Okay, so let's check the example sentence. Here, please repeat after me. どのくらい待ちますか? Good. It means how long do I need to wait? どのくらい待ちますか? Okay, so let's move on to the next one. 15分くらい Okay, here. Please repeat after me. 15分くらいです。Good. It means it's about 15 minutes. 15分くらいです。And next one. わかる。Okay, please repeat after me. わかりました。Yeah, わかりました means I got it. I understood. Okay, next one. すごい。本物。手裏剣。Okay, here. Please repeat after me. すごい。本物の手裏剣だ。Good. It means, wow, that's a real shuriken. すごい。本物の手裏剣だ。Next one. 的。投げる。The guy said like that. Okay, please repeat after me. あの的に投げてください。Good. It means, please throw it at that target. あの的に投げてください。Okay, next one. えい。落ちる。Please repeat after me. えい。落ちちゃった。Good. It means, oh, it's fallen. Okay, so that's the new vocabularies. Let's move on to the next skit section. In this section, let's read the whole sentence together. You can understand how to read the sentence and you can improve Japanese pronunciation as well. Anyway, let's get this started. Please repeat after me. どのくらい待ちますか? 15分くらいです。わかりました。すごい。本物の手裏剣だ。あの的に投げてください。 えい。あ、落ちちゃった。Okay, great. So, let's move on to the key phrase section. Please repeat after me. I know, in this section, I will explain, how to use the Japanese grammar. Today's key phrase is about asking how long something will take. Example sentences: どのくらい待ちますか? It means how long does it take to get in? Literally, it means how long do I wait? Okay, so to ask how long something takes, use どのくらい, which is an interrogative for length of time, distance, or amount. It's used with 待ちますか? 待つ or to wait, or かかりますか? かかる or to take. Okay, so let's check the example sentence again. Please repeat after me. どのくらい待ちますか? Good. どのくらい待ちますか? It means literally how long do I wait? But it means like how long does it take to get in this situation? We often use this phrase, so please remember to it. Anyway, let's move on to the next section and let's check the short dialogue which include the key phrase we studied. Okay, so please repeat after me. すみません。あとどのくらいかかりますか? 20分くらいです。Okay, yeah, something like that. When you get in a taxi, you can ask the taxi driver by using this phrase like あとどのくらいかかりますか? It means like how much longer will it take? And then the driver answered like 20分くらいです. It means about 20 minutes. You know, くらい means approximately, about, around. Yeah, like that. So 20分くらいです. Okay, so let's move on to the try it out section. Okay, so in this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Number 1, how long is the work? Okay, please repeat that. How long is the work? So work is 歩きます. Okay, so answer is here. Here. Please repeat after me. どのくらい歩きますか? Good. You know, grammar is very simple. You need to say どのくらい verbs か. Yeah, like that. You know, and the verbs followed by the mas form, in this case, 歩きます, right? So どのくらい歩きますか? You need to attach the か end of the sentence to make a question. So answer is どのくらい歩きますか? Okay, so, and as for this picture, maybe the woman asked to the school or something. So at a time, you can add the specific destination like that. 学校まで here. Please repeat after me. 学校までどのくらい歩きますか? Good. It means how far do I have to walk to school? 学校までどのくらい歩きますか? Okay, so let's move on to the next question. How long does it last? Okay, so last means 持ちます. So answer is here. どのくらい持ちますか? Good. It means how long does it last? And maybe the guy asked about eggs or something. So in this case, you can say like that. Please repeat after me. この卵どのくらいも Sorry, here. Okay, again, please repeat after me. この卵どのくらい持ちますか? Good. It means how long do these eggs last? この卵どのくらい持ちますか? Okay, so next one. How much longer are you in Japan? how much longer are you in Japan? And the must form is 日本にいます right? So answer is here. Please repeat after me. あとどのくらい日本にいますか? Good. How much longer are you in Japan? Okay, so yeah, in this case, example sentence already included the specific place, Japan, 日本. So that's the end of the try it out section. So let's move on to the step up section. Today's step up section is about length of time. Okay, so let's check the time. Please repeat after me. 5分10分15分20分25分30分 Okay, that's it. And next one is about hours. Please repeat after me. 1時間1時間半2時間3時間4時間5時間6時間7時間8時間9時間10時間 Good, that's it. Unique expression is about 1時間半 It means 1.5 hour. So 半 means half. For example, like here. Okay, please repeat after me. 東京タワーまでどのくらいかかりますか? Good. It means how long does it take to get to Tokyo Tower? 1時間半くらいです。Good. It's about an hour and a half. Okay, so 1時間半. 半 means half. Okay, that's it. So, okay, we finished most of the activities. So let's review today's lesson. In the skit section, please focus on understanding whole story by Japanese. And what's more, let's check the kanji and the triptych section as well. Okay, so let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
どのくらい待ちますか ?15 分くらいです。わかりました。すごい、本物の手裏剣だ。
あの的に投げてください。
ああ、落ちちゃった。
Mike, don't worry. It just shows the road to becoming a ninja isn't so easy. That's right. Practice makes perfect, so keep at it. Today we'll learn how to ask how long something takes. Mike said, どのくらい待ちますか? どのくらい means how long and how much. After that, a verb like 待ちます to wait. And finally, the particle for a question, か.
豊洲市場までどのくらい歩きますか
2分くらいです。
どのくらい待ちますか
60分くらいです。
もうお腹ペコペコです。
The wholesalers and shops of Tsukiji Market have moved to the new Toyosu site. Tsukiji operated for more than 80 years, but Toyosu is already popular. Now the pronunciation. どのくらい待ちますか?どのくらい待ちますか? Trip tip. Toyosu Market is now Japan's largest food market. It moved about 3 kilometers from Tsukiji in October 2018. The wholesale section is outfitted with the latest equipment. The restaurant row is open from 5 a.m. For those who want to know more about auction ins and outs, there's a free tour. Tokyo's new landmark is a feast for the senses. Today's kanji. It's sakana, meaning fish. That's easy Japanese. Visit our website for past episodes and other learning materials. Mata ne!
Okay, that's it. That's lesson 33, asking how long something will take. I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.